Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Febriyano Tampan Putra Mulyana. My attendance number is 41. My student ID is 19.2A.13, and I'm from class 19.2A.13. Today, I will explain about computer and hardware. In this presentation, I will focus on the definition of computer and hardware, the important component of a computer, the type of computer and hardware, and other related topics. First, we will discuss the definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device that can receive data, process data, store data, and produce information. A computer also has several main functions, such as processing data into information, helping human activity and work. For example, we use computer to do everything, and storing many files and data. Next, there are the main components of a computer, such as hardware, software, and firmware. A computer cannot work properly if one of these components is missing. One, hardware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer that we can see and touch. Software. Software is a program that gives instruction to the computer. Firmware is the user or the person who operates the computer. Next, uh, we will discuss the types of computer. A computer is not only the device that we can usually see on a desk, which is called the desktop computer. This desktop computer is number one. There are also several other types of computer. The first, desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer that is placed on a desk. It usually has spare parts such as a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. The second, there is the laptop. A laptop is a portable computer that is easy to carry. All components are combined into one device. And third, third desk is tablet. A tablet is a small computer that uses a touch screen. It is operated using finger on a stylus pen. Number four is server. A server is a computer that provides service or data to other computer in a network. There are still many other types of computer as well. Okay, now we will discuss about hardware. Definition of hardware. Hardware is the physical, tangible component of a computer system that you can see and touch. Function of hardware is run computer process, input data, store data, display input, and many functions for you. There are also types of hardware such as input device and output device. And one, input device. An input device is hardware that is used to enter data, instruction or command into a computer. Example, the main part is keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. Okay, next. The next, output device. An output device is hardware that is used to display or produce information from the computer after the data has been processed. Example is monitor for display text, image, and video. Printer is produce print the document. Speaker is output sound or audio. Okay, next. This comparison between input and output. These are the it's monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, and other. This input data, keyboard, touchscreen, scanner, mouse, microphone, webcam, and more. Okay, next there are process device and storage device. Process device. A process device is hardware used to process data inside the computer. The example is processor. Processor for which process data, RAM is which run program, and motherboard is which control computer and component. Number two is storage device. The storage device is hardware used to save data and files. Example is HDD or hard disk, and HDD and flash drive. The difference between HDD and SSD is HDD is cheaper but slower, and SSD is faster and more modern. Okay. For the conclusion, computers are important electronic devices that help humans process data into useful information. A computer can work properly because hardware, software, and firmware support each other. Hardware has many different functions, such as inputting data, process data, displaying information, and storing files. In addition, each type of computer has its own advantage based on its function and performance. Okay, thank you for the video and see you next time.